Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Everybody, hello and welcome to John on a Bike, and welcome to Wallington Hall in the background here, as you can see. It's a really pretty building, isn't it? We've been here a few times before, but never on the bike, so today we're going to do a new route. So it's only a short route, isn't it?
It's just a short, family-friendly route, sure. National Trust, and this is just to show that you can bring your little kids, hopefully, and
the whole family,
and they hire bikes as well. But we've bought our own, and National Trust have a few cycle rides at some of their different houses and gardens that they have throughout the country. Yeah,
so it's just to show you can take your bikes, well, almost anywhere these days, can't you? There's loads of different options out there for you to take your bikes. So we've got the phone bikes with us today, so we're going to head out now on a short ride from Wallington Hall. So this is new for us, not new to being in Wallington Hall, we've been here a few times, and it's a lovely place, definitely worth visiting, isn't it?
Yep,
and down
definitely.
That way. On the other side there's some sculptures there of dragons' heads in the distance, you can just see, and there's some beautiful gardens through there. Absolutely stunning gardens, isn't it, Katie? Stunning gardens. So we're going to head up and get the bikes now and head off around this new track, so we'll see you in a minute.
And we'd like to say a big thank you to our sponsor today, Outdoor Master. Outdoor Master was founded in 2015 and is the leading sporting goods brand in America. They are an official sponsor to the US ski team and supply everything from beach tents to stand-up paddle boards. Plus, of course, cycling equipment, such as the excellent GEM bike helmet with MIPS that was reviewed on this channel. You can also find some excellent sports cycling sunglasses, all at very affordable prices. Please check out their website as it helps to support this channel. Plus, there is a generous 10% discount when using the code in the description.
So we are here at the beginning of the Dragon Cycleway, as you can see up there. And it's not very long. I see the green trail is approximately, was it 3, are we doing the blue trail or the blue one? So it's 3.8 kilometres, as you can see on the top right there, so it's not very far. But that's what it looks like. And this, for anybody coming here, is just on the top right hand side of the car park. So there's the car park here. There's the gate we've just come through. There's Katie getting ready.
Hi everybody.
And there's the sign, and there's the sign next to Katie as well, saying the Dragon Cycleway. We've just set off there, just come down the hill in the background there through that first gate, and then we're coming along the flat here. You what, Katie? Yeah, it does smell really nice, doesn't it? Yeah. So as I said before, we've never done this before. This is a new route for us, completely new. In fact, we've never walked down here, have we? Never walked down here, yeah. Completely new to us. So we thought we'll come today. Well, it's Katie's idea. Come here, try this out. Because we're determined this year to try new routes, aren't we?
We are, and this is one that is family friendly. So whether you've got kids or grandkids, hopefully we can show you that this is an easy family friendly route and somewhere safe to bring them.
Exactly.
I'm riding with my new helmet on, people. Everybody.
Yeah.
So John can't lose me because I'll stand out in the green today.
Yeah. Helmet looks fantastic. Looks brilliant. Look at the helmet. Look at Katie's helmet. How cool is that? Yeah. Love it.
Thank you, Outdoor Master.
Yeah, I was just going to say, yeah. Thank you to our sponsor, Outdoor Master, for Katie's helmet and my helmet. Of course, links in the description if you want to come buy yourself one. Check out the website because it's got some really good stuff, really nice stuff. And of course, there's a 10% discount as well for my viewers, so it's worth checking out. So we're at Arrows Point the way. Very scenic, isn't it? So we took a wrong turn, folks. We've come a little bit up the track and we should have turned off down the bottom of this hill.
I thought I knew better than the arrows.
Well, yeah, it's easy done though, isn't it? First time we've been here, so we can't really complain. Nice view behind us though, look at that. Still in view. So yeah, we're going to go back down the, retrace our tracks. It's only that little bit there, just a little bit of a, next to the woods there's a trail. We're going to go back down there and then head along the bottom there. So yeah, we came up this trail by mistake. I wouldn't care, it's quite a decent hill for Kate to pedal up as well, look. And you did it well, didn't you? So we'll go down here and turn left at the bottom, don't we? Yeah. It is actually well signposted actually with arrows. Well, we just thought we had to go on the green one first, but we should have followed the blue arrow. There's little arrows on the post down here, on the other side of these posts. So we're going this way. So Fountains Loop, we should have gone rather than going up there. But we'll come back around later on, don't we? Looks like it's all been cut down recently, doesn't it? Oh right, yeah, the storms have took them down. Yeah, could have. They have replanted, yeah, yeah. It's quite a fun little track, isn't it? To explore. So Katie's admiring the view over that way.
Peaceful, is it?
It's beautiful, is it?
Peaceful.
Oh, it is very, very peaceful, isn't it? It's lovely. So, as you can see here, folks, it's well signposted with arrows. So at the moment we're following the blue arrows, aren't we?
Yeah.
Following the blue. We've just come through that gate there, and we're heading through this gate here. So putting Katie's bike together, and then realised her seat was a little bit loose. And then I realised I haven't got any multi-tool with this. What a stupid thing to do. What a rookie mistake. Always have your tools with you, folks, always. I had puncture kits and things like that, and a spanner and stuff to take the wheels off, but no, because they're not quick release wheels on these bikes. But not a multi-tool. So yeah, so luckily my keyring has a little robot on it. With a screwdriver and things like that on it. And the foot of the robot actually, which is not part of the tool, managed to fit in and tighten the little Allen key up a little bit, just enough to make a seat. So hopefully it doesn't fall apart, Katie, yeah? Hopefully the seat doesn't fall apart. Very nice track, very pretty. Lots of old man's backyard around here. What's the proper name for it again? Cow parsley, yeah. Old man's back is a nickname we used to call it when I was a kid. So hopefully you can see there we're doing Cumbie Hill. It's very faint with the arrow pointing straight up. If you want to do Fountains Loop, you could go back down that way.
I want to put you in the crush there.
You want to put me in the crush? Kate wants to put me in the crush here, look. Very quiet. In fact, it's silent, isn't it? Yeah. Just the birds.
I know.
But that could be a Roman road, this, couldn't it?
Yeah.
That could be a bit of a Roman road, I think, because it's so straight. So straight. Look at how straight that is. You don't get many straight rails around here like that. And we are heading up that way, aren't we? I hadn't seen this avenue of trees actually when I came down here, but they really are. Look at these. Fantastic. They obviously are. Look at the roots. Got a bit of a gnarly path here to go, folks, past the sheep. Sorry girls, sorry. Sorry ladies. Excuse me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hello there. We're just going through all the sheep, haven't we? Trying not to disturb them. So we've quite a hill to go up here. We're probably going to get up and push a little bit, Kate, aren't we? We've just come at the bottom there from that gate. There's that gate over in the corner there, wasn't there? The trees just over there. There's a gate in there, just over there. We've just come up there and it's kind of winding up, like zigzagging up the field here. We pedalled halfway up, didn't we? And including Katie, pedalled halfway. Well done, Katie. Cheers. Well done. Pedalled halfway up, but as you can see, it's a bit of a rocky track, so it's not the best to pedal up. There's no harm in walking a bit. Anyway, you can admire this view because it's lovely. It's beautiful. But at least it zigzags up, doesn't it? So at least you can see here it's fairly steep. but it's not bad. So you might be able to ride up it. Go on! Nearly there! Well done. Well done. You did well there. Again, steep. Look at the view up here. You see it forever, can you? Yeah. That's a view all the way around. Past Tide Katie.
The farm over there.
See for miles. So we've come through that gate there from that field where the sheep were. Just been having a little bit of a break here. But look at the views in the background. Absolutely stunning place, look at this. And this is called Coombe, isn't it, Katie? Coombe Hill? Is that how it's said? Coombe Hill.
Coombe Hill.
Coombe Hill. It's very faint, you can just see on the post.
Hang on. Coombe Hill.
Coombe Hill. Coombe Hill. And there's the view on the background here. So we think we're at the highest point now, don't we?
Yeah.
We think that was the biggest hill which has come up, which is there, down through the field, up through the field, and then heading down. Going to be heading down this way. But yeah, stunning place, beautiful, beautiful. It's so peaceful. Like these animals, birds.
No traffic.
No traffic.
People.
Went past one person walking his dog, didn't we, earlier on? Quite a way back actually.
Yeah, when we first set off.
We first set off. That's the only people I've seen up here actually. Very, very peaceful. As well as cycling, it'd be a good place to walk too. But look at that. So we've just come down there from the top. Nice little bit of a downhill there. Nice little track. And we're at up there. Black Belt, is that?
Bell, yeah.
Or Bell. That looks like a T on the end, doesn't it? It's either Bell or Belt. Could be a T, I think it's a T on the end. Over Black Belt, I think. We're at steep hill ahead, look. Warning sign. So the signs are good, aren't they? Yeah. The signs are very good. Like if there's sharp corners and steep hills and stuff, they always tell you. So yeah, if you came this way, you have to come up this hill. But that's fair enough because we came up that other hill, didn't we? So what goes up must come down. Pedestrian crossing, pedestrian crossing. No, I think that's style. How's Katie doing? You alright? Good, good. You don't want to break your helmet? No, not your first time out, yeah. Keep your helmet good. And keep what's inside your helmet good too. Look how pretty this is. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, it's definitely one of the prettiest routes we've been on. It's not the longest, no, but it's very easy going, good for families, and it's very, 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 very pretty. Very pretty. Yeah, exactly. Put out on your bike with lovely views. And we've only had that one little steep section, didn't we? Through the field with the sheep. So another reason that we wanted to do a short ride today is that we were ill last week, weren't we? We were. Kate was really ill. Kate was very, very ill. We had that horrible virus, that norovirus, and Kate had it really bad, and I had a lot milder, didn't I? A lot milder. So today we just wanted to do a short, easy route, something a bit different. But also, like I said before, just to show people that you can do, that there is easy routes out there to do. You don't have to go out and do massive rides on your bike. And we're just discussing as well on this ride, you could actually make it what you want. You know, you could go around it again. You could do parts of it again and make it longer. And tell you really how fit you're feeling. But what a beautiful ride it is. Look at this.
Just finish the blue bit and going back onto the green one.
Yeah, you could do the blue bit. We've just finished the blue, haven't we? Yeah, we've just done the blue track. And now we're on the green. To head back around to Wallington Hall. But yeah, it's lovely. Look at that. So we're coming back towards the car park, I think now. I've just seen the cars. Yeah, the cars in the distance there. What a nice relaxing ride this has been, hasn't it?
I would do it again. in and add extra, like do
Extra parts on, yeah. Yeah, it's been a really nice, relaxing ride, hasn't it, Katie?
Yeah.
Really nice. So yeah, like we were saying before, you can add extra bits on, like Katie's just been saying there. You can you know, go around and loop round again and do it a couple of times and do as much as you want, really. Do as much as you want. But it's a nice route, isn't it?
Definitely recommend it.
Yeah, definitely recommend it. Thoroughly enjoyed. It's been really good, really good. And it's, how far did we say? About 6 kilometres?
No, about 3.5
3.5 kilometres. So you can just add them up. Say kilometres, I don't work in kilometres like, but that's what the sign says. The sign says kilometres, but it's been good. It's been good. So thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. Good ride. Definitely recommended.
Definitely.
Yeah. So thanks for joining us as always. It's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from
Bye.
Katie as well. Take care of yourselves out there. See you all later. Bye bye.